In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool that can help you accomplish a variety of everyday tasks, whether it's tracking household chores, planning your meals, or managing your personal finances. However, creating a spreadsheet from scratch can be time-consuming and sometimes overwhelming. That's where Excel templates come in. Templates are pre-built spreadsheets designed to help you get started quickly without having to set everything up yourself. To begin using a template, open Excel and go to the File menu, then select New. Here, you'll see a range of suggested templates, but you can also search for something specific. For this demonstration, we'll look for a template to track blood pressure. Simply type blood pressure tracker in the search bar and press Enter. From the search results, select the template labeled Blood Pressure Tracker. Excel will open a new worksheet based on this template, ready for you to start entering your data. The Blood Pressure Tracker template allows you to insert rows and input your blood pressure readings along with your heart rate. The built-in chart updates automatically to show your progress over time, and the table highlights in red any days when your readings are too high. This visual feedback is especially helpful for staying on top of your health and preparing for your next doctor's appointment. Excel offers a wide variety of free templates like this one. You can also find templates for tracking weekly attendance in a class, managing projects, or monitoring other personal data. If you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you gain access to premium templates such as Money in Excel, which can automatically import, sync, and analyze your financial data. Other premium templates can help you organize household chores, track who's responsible for which task, or plan your daily schedule efficiently. To explore more templates, return to File and New, or visit templates.office.com for a full collection of helpful options. Using these templates allows you to save time, reduce errors, and complete your tasks without writing any new formulas. If you have feedback or suggestions about a particular template, you can go to File, then Feedback, or use the keyboard shortcut Alt-F-K to leave your comment directly in Excel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.